Okay, before we get into building the fire pit, I just wanted to take this time to say thank you so much for being here again today. I know that after my video last night, I've lost some subbies, and it's okay. I'm okay with that, because if that's the way it goes. You know, what are you gonna do? You can't please everybody all the time. But I just wanted to let you know that if you haven't seen the video, go check out my last video. It was a live, and I just went off on the situation day, and especially individual one, and my feelings about him. And so I'm not really sorry. I'm sorry I'm not sorry, because I mean, it's my channel. I can do what I want. I can say what I want. And I've known a long time that a lot of my subbies are individual one fans. So I've always treaded lightly, but that's not fun for me. And it doesn't work for me. I mean, I won't ever talk politics again, but I do want it known that that's not who I am. I am a liberal, and and I'm proud of it. I'm really proud of a lot of the things that the liberals have done and are doing in this chaotic time. So with that said, I do want you to know that there won't be any more of that bashing for a while. Can't promise never again, but I will say that not for a while. So because I don't do that, and I do respect the Republican Party. I just don't respect that. So yeah, so with that said, thanks for being here, because obviously you're still subscribed, and I appreciate that. I don't want to be here by myself. And so yeah, so let's get into building the fire pit, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again for being here, you guys. I appreciate it. I want to be real with you, okay? So if you're a real, honest, authentic person and can handle that, then stick around. If not, then bye. Some unboxing here. I've had this for a while. It's been sitting in my garage. I'm pretty sure it's okay. I did have some gloves to use for this, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna just, I kind of feel like I should though, to be a good steward. Let me do that. Let me get some gloves, and I'm gonna wash my hands. Hey, I'm back, and I have my gloves, and I feel much better. Okay, so let's just see what we have here. We've got this rim. I hope I don't scratch my table. We've got some tools and some screws, and we've got a grill. It looks like a kind of a. Look at that. That's cool. It's gonna. Oh, this is. It looks pretty. It's kind of big. Hi. So that's cool. I'm gonna set this over here. I've always wanted a fire pit, you guys. I've always been in an apartment, and we're in a condo, and I could never have one before. I could have in my last condo, but the place had an overhang, so yeah, that wouldn't have been a good idea, because I felt like it would have melted it, so I didn't. So I was trying to be careful, and it's probably a good thing I didn't. I actually had a grill out there for a while that I had to be really careful with too, a gas grill. Here's the big tub. See, it's pretty big. So that's pretty big, and that's just big enough for some Presto logs. I'm not gonna do the huge bonfires, so please, for those of you that are concerned, and the Presto logs that I've used are very air friendly. From what I read on them, they're actually clean. They run cleaner than firewood. So there's that. A poker. And so I'm really actually happy about that. Yeah, so the pollution, I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on here for something to work with, if I can. So, I don't know, do we actually need, I don't think I'm gonna actually need directions, but we'll see. This will give us a good time to chat. So what are you guys up to? How you doing? Hope everybody's doing okay. We're doing okay. We've got a little workout area set up in our living room right now. And so our living room is a gym living room. I've got a stair step over there. I've got weights over there. I've got a yoga mat. We've got videos, and we watch a lot of stuff on YouTube. So I think this goes like that. So, these are the, better look at the picture. There we go. So, yeah. So I I feel like Lauren and I are gonna come out of this. Did I just cut this off? I did. I'll be right back, you guys. I have to go get a new glove. They're easy to put on because they're easier. I just wash my hands too. Because they've got a little, what do they have? A little, screwdriver, so put that in there, and then grab another. So this is the bottom part. It's going to be a perfect size. I thought it might be too small when I ordered it. I thought, oh, that won't work, but it actually is, so I'm happy with it. I don't want much bigger than this because I don't want a bonfire, you know, and I don't want to have any drama with anybody in the neighborhood, you know. So yeah. Another leg. It's cute, isn't it? It's tiny, but it's just right, in my opinion. How many legs do I have? Oh, 4. Good. I didn't know if it was a tripod or not. Put that on the floor. Sorry. Sorry. So, Lauren's doing pretty good with all this. She's been drawing. And hanging out in her room a lot, you know. She'll be 21 next month, and she's like, geez, Mom, I can't even go to the bar. I'm like, well, you can go to the bar another time. So, she can have a drink with me. That's right, folks. I will let her have a cocktail with her. Actually, she's already had a glass of wine with me a couple of times. I mean, please, they let them drink it. 16 in other countries. So comment down below. What have you guys been up to? Are you ordering anything? Are you getting like yard? Depending where you live, are you getting yard work done? What's going on? You know, what's going on in your world? Because this is what's going on in ours. I'm just trying to keep busy. I also have a shelf I need to put together. Not a shelf. Yeah, it's a shelf. It's like a little. What is it? It's like a little plant shelf, but I'm going to use it in my bathroom to put like little tchotchkes on because there's really not any shelving in my bathroom. This house is too small, you guys. I have determined that this house is too small, so yeah, wish it wasn't so small. But I'm grateful for it. I'm not going to lie. I'm grateful because I can have a fire pit now, so it's the perfect size as long as I can have a fire pit. So. Don't fall. So this is what we're doing, and then I did get some stuff from the hardware store a few days ago, maybe like last week. And I've got a couple of rakes and a shovel and a wheelbarrow even. I'm like turning into this country bumpkin. I've got a wheelbarrow. But I have to put that together, so we might put that together to get too. You know, why not, right? You guys aren't doing anything right now, right? Like, you got nothing better to do. Why isn't this going on over here? Hold on. What's in there? There we go. Oh, it's a good thing I don't color my hair because you can't get your hair colored these days. Something's wrong with this something. I think this is too small. I thought it was all the same, but maybe that's just a weird one. Yeah, that's better, I think. It's doing the same thing. Oh no, that's better. That's better. Getting some bite in it. Yeah, it's a good thing I don't color my hair. What are you guys doing about your hair? Are you rooting it yourself? Do you get something online to help? You're watching videos how to do your hair? I know a lot of us have gray hair, and a lot of us don't like it. I don't mind it. I'm keeping it. It's really white in the front, isn't it? I look like an angel. But you guys know better. You know me now. You know my deepest, darkest secrets after last night's video. You know me now. Those that are sticking around, thank you so much. You're very sweet. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I think this blue, yeah, I think what was happening was the glove was getting in the way. So, yeah. I'm using my iPhone to film this. I got you on a little tripod. We're going to be doing lots of stuff, not just art stuff, you guys. We're going to be doing cooking and this kind of stuff, just chatting, something to do while you're hanging out. What else you got to do, right? Hang out. And it's like going to somebody's house, right? I wouldn't mind. I don't mind. I go to people's videos and watch them do the strangest things because, well, we're kind of stuck right now. So, you know, kind of stuck. All right. I'm glad I put this one on first because it's going to depict or determine which way this one goes. Right? No, maybe not. I can't tell because I don't think it matters because the rims are the same on each side. But does it go on the inside or the outside? That's what I don't know. I would say the outside. Yeah. Let's try it. And then, yeah, see? Cute. Lauren's gonna love it. It's the perfect little fire pit. It's perfect. It's so cute. What's this for? Oh, they gave me it's a not a lug wrench. It's a Allen wrench with a Phillips in it, and I went and looked for mine. So it's fine. It's fine. These gloves smell like rubber. Not a good kind. Okay. Okay. This was easy peasy lemon squeezy. You still filming? Yeah. It would be a lot easier without these, I'll tell you that right now. It'd be a lot easier. So I can't show you a fire today, but I can show you the Presto logs that I bought, and show you how it will look once it's lit. We could do a fire, but I don't want to waste them because they only burn like 3 hours, and they weren't cheap. I got 6 of them just to get us started, and then we'll go and figure out how to get some small firewood later. I'm going to kind of do a mixture of both, I think, because of the cost. So yeah. I love to put stuff together. I'm like, except for remember when I put those things together in my office, those white shelving. Oh, that was so hard, you guys. That's like, I need a guy. You know? And remember when I put the doorknob in that door over there with a lock in it, and that was no fun. But I saved myself over $100 by doing it myself. So why do I have an extra screw? I think that might go for the top. I have 2 extra screws. There's goes there. And it has a thing, a little grate that you put down. And the grate goes in the bottom. It's so cool. And then for the lid, I think we just have an extra screw. Oh, I hate that. Like, I need to get rid of it. I don't like how it looks. But we have this little guy. Hold on. So this is the top. So I guess we just have 2 extra screws, which is fine by me. I have all my extra screws in the little thing out in the garage, so that's cool. That works. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Ta-da! There we go. I feel like that's upside down. now that this lip is right here, but there's no way to go the other way. No, I think that's okay. Oh no, it's fine. It's got a little lip on right there. I see it. There, it's perfect. And then we have, so cute. Lauren, come see your fire pit. Huh? Okay, she's petting Gracie. She can't come see right now. I'm gonna show you where it's gonna go though, okay? I'll be right back. It is all set up outside. Isn't that cute? It looks perfect in its little spot. And it's got a little tiny Presto log in there. And I need to open up the cover because it's starting to rain. But I just wanted to show you what it would look like. And then let me get the cover on it and then we'll be done. The cover is too big, but that's okay because I actually need a cover for that. So eventually I'll buy a new cover for this and put that on there, which is fine. So yeah, it's cute. So now I can't wait to actually use it. So with that, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I wish you guys all the best. Thanks for being here. You take care. Love you guys. Bye.